everyone, I'm Naman Shah from Sphera Blue Architects, Ahmedabad. I'm an alumnus of CEPT, Ahmedabad, and Domus Academy, Milan. I've been practicing architecture since the last 14 years. Both my parents are designers, and so I've been exposed to creativity since childhood. My mother is a ceramic designer, and so my sister and I would sit with her and pound the clay into pots and masks, while our abstract paintings would become mural in my father's projects. Sketching and scribbling was done on all the walls of our home till our hands reached. So it was natural that the future lay somewhere along these axes. My sister, my father, and I encourage each other while experimenting, while we also fight with the same vigor when it comes to debating design. It's been an awesome journey so far. We founded Sphera Blue Architects in 2007 in Ahmedabad with an idea to question the cookie cutter approach in design. This approach led to the creation of few projects which were quite experimental in nature. Slowly, a method was created which involved being introduced with few new materials on a regular basis, figuring out its characteristics, giving it a new personality in our buildings. This process led us to collaborate with some really amazing minds in the creative space. Recently, in the last 14 years, we've learnt that trees, insects, animals, and birds should be considered in the same category as walls and columns in respect to architecture. Nature plays an important role in our design. We are in the middle of integrating future technology to analyze how much integration with surrounding environment is essential. My day begins with hours on the farm spent harvesting the fresh crop, composting, mulching, weeding, and creating the right microclimate for the crops to bloom. This has given us an innate understanding of climate and soil. It's nearly impossible to grow a vegetable organically, which is perfect in shape, size, color, and taste. So you let it evolve, just like you let design evolve around your lives. Create correct ecosystems around you for the perfect lifestyle. This is our philosophy. Thank you.